specific language as to what they're complaining about, and they sue a person or they sue an entity or an organization. Who they sue is the defendant. The defendant is served with a suit and then must decide their course of action. And there are numerous courses of action that can be taken. One is there may be legal and technical grounds on which to try to file and successfully obtain a motion to dismiss the case entirely. In that regard, it just basically goes away. Another course of action would be to work toward settling the case. Third would be to litigate the case, which means deposition and trial. And some cases, and in particular it seems like patent infringement type cases, they often involve a countersuit, where one side is sued and the other side sues in some respect back the other way. That makes cases a little complicated to keep track of as an expert witness, because you have defendants and plaintiffs, and then in other cases you have those situations reversed, the people's roles are reversed. The other thing that happens is there may be more than one plaintiff and more than one defendant. I'll mention that in an upcoming slide because there's some unique issues you need to be careful of in those cases where the legal case is a little more complicated. The whole thing of experts, since that's a part of this presentation, is really important because the phrasing of expert witness carries with it some really unique meaning. First of all, an expert is a person who is a specialist in a subject and who may represent his or her expert opinion without actually having been a witness to any occurrence related to the lawsuit. So you're not a fact witness. You didn't participate in whatever it is that occurred, but you have specialized knowledge that allows you to, within the legal system, provide opinions. It's also, serving as an expert, an exception to the rule against giving an opinion in trial, provided that the expert is qualified by evidence of his or her expertise, training, and special knowledge. And those three descriptors at the end of the second bullet item are really important. If you're looking for an expert